Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to my first video. I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Jelle from Chronos FX. I'm 20 years old and I live in the Netherlands. So my apology because my English is not that good. I don't want to make this video too long because I know how boring it is to watch a video of 30 minutes. I like it short, simple and clear. Let's begin. So last Friday I made some crazy predictions on GBPJPY and I wanted to share it with you guys, so hopefully you can learn something from it. Before we drop down to the lower time frame, I want to know what's going on the bigger picture. This is a daily chart. So from August the 20th until December the 13th, a market maker sell model formed. We got consolidation, manipulation, taking out the highs of May 28th. Drop down, what caused this order block, an accumulation, and another drop down, taking out this low. We know price will eventually go back up to this order block. The first 3 weeks of December price consolidated and some interesting price action happened. Here you can see price made a run up, leaving the consolidation and coming into a mitigation block. What does this tell us? There are people buying the break of the consolidation and there are people selling the mitigation. Well, both get taken out of the game. Here, the buyers get taken out, price went below this low, and then price accelerated up, taking out all the sellers from the mitigation block. Then price entered the order block, and you would expect a big drop to the downside. But that was not the case. Price slowed down, introducing a lot of new sellers into the market, and they got all trapped when this candle here closed bearish. And then price accelerated up, purging all the liquidity above this order block, creating a new bullish order block. Price came very close to it and went up again, forming an ICT smart money reversal. What tells me the next candle is probably going to be bearish. So what can we see? We see an untouched order block. We see a previous low with resting liquidity below it. And we see some equal lows over here. This tells me that the Friday has a high probability to be bearish and we can look for sells. This is a 1 hour time frame which can tell me the direction and the targets more clearly. First of all, before Friday price was making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. And with price being bearish, the high of the day will probably form in London session. This is what ICT taught us and you can find it on his YouTube channel. So with that in mind, I can now place my targets. And this was the low that nearly touched the order block. So that will be my target. Okay. On the 50-minute time frame, I search for my points of interest and entries. Here you can see the last lower high and lower low before the Friday starts. And in the last phase of the Asian range, price went into consolidation. So again, what do we see? We have a structure break with an indecisive order block candle. We see power of 3 in the making. Accumulation, push up means manipulation, and then the distribution to the downside. And we are expecting price to make the high of the day in London session. So here price took out the Asian low, following up by a big push to the upside into this order block, taking out all these little highs, all these short-term highs, and I anticipated a little buy in here, or from this breaker block into this order block. You can see it on my Telegram channel. So for extra confirmation, I drawed a fib between the bodies of the last lower high and lower low. Here is our optimal trade entry. Price went a little higher, but that doesn't matter because your stop will be at the last high. And when New York kill zone started, price had an aggressive drop to the downside to my target. Well guys, this was my first video. I know I need to work on my English and presentation skills, but I will take some classes for that. For now, I just was excited to show you this trade with explanation, so I hope it was clear. And if not, you can always send me a message on my social media. Thank you very much for watching and have a great week. Bye.